Now, the first question that arrives is where and how to get this add-on. This add-on is uploaded on CodeCanon by Theme and Code. So you need to get this add-on and this plugin from CodeCanon. Just click on Add to Cart and then go to Checkout and complete the process. If you have an account, you don't need to create another account. You can use your previous account and then just purchase the plugin and download it. You have to do the same process for PDF viewer for WordPress if you do not have this plugin already installed on your WordPress dashboard. After downloading these plugins, come to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and add new. Then click on upload plugin, browse from your computer, select PDF view for WordPress and click open and then install now. Do the same process for WPBakery page builder add-on as well. I already have these two plugins installed on my WordPress, that is why I am not doing this anymore. After installing PDF viewer for WordPress, you can see that the PDF viewer tab on your WordPress dashboard. Here is an interesting tip. After installing PDF viewer for WordPress, you need to activate or register this plugin. To do that, just go to PDF viewer and then activation and updates. You'll get a purchase key from CodeCanon. Paste that purchase key here, and after that your version or your PDF viewer WordPress will be registered and you will get a message. Congratulations, your copy of PDF viewer for WordPress is registered. So after this, your installation part is complete. Thank you.